The GoPro HERO12 Black is the professional's choice of HERO12 Black, HERO11 Black, and Max creator for traditional action footage. The HERO12 focuses on delivering waterproof highest image quality, stabilization, and durability in a standard rugged plus durable. This custom engine allows for high frame rates, enabling incredibly smooth 4x slow-motion shots in high definition. Hands-free plus easy-to-mount offers over billion shades, much smoother without banding. High-resolution plus HDR. This is arguably the best in-camera stabilization in the world. Or ultra-wide video. It uses auto boost to analyze the shake and crop the image just enough to keep the footage steady, even during intense mountain biking or running. HyperSmooth video stabilization. You can literally rotate the camera a full 360 degrees while recording perfectly level. Long-lasting battery. It can screw directly onto standard tripods without needing an adapter. Immersive photos. You can now connect wireless mics or Apple AirPods directly to the camera for vlogging, voice commands, or monitoring your audio. Further auto-highlight video. It shoots at a massive 5.3K resolution, or sent to your phone, giving you 91% more detail than 4K.